Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working in my PR and social media planner. I'm going to be setting up the monthly calendar for October, and I decided to take a bit of a break from Halloween, like I did the title page and my goals page, and go ahead and do a little something for Pinktober. So October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and you don't hear about it as much as you used to, actually, but it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do my monthly spread in a Pinktober theme. I'll be using these stickers from Let's Get Planned, and I may incorporate a few other things as well. I'll be using this Stardust washi in pink from Simply Gilded. And I'm just going to kind of do what I normally do, and the empty boxes on the spread, use the washi tape there instead of on the edge of the paper. So there is my washi tape. All right, let's use some of these florals. And I think I'm going to come back with an October monthly sticker to put there. See what I have. I know I just used one. I don't know if I have another one. I'm going to use another floral down at the bottom. I'm actually going to use this pink ribbon here, and don't know where I want to use the doll. I guess I'll put her in the sidebar. I think that's all I'm going to use from there. Let's put some pumpkins down. Okay, so that is everything I'm going to do for the monthly and my PR and social media planner. I'll come back and fill in what I need to fill in as far as the days later. So let's pop this back in. I got my Pinktober in, and we will go back to Halloween. All right, so that's the spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.